Hello, welcome to this important tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to add citations and references to your Word document in less than 4 minutes. Whether you are a student, researcher, or just someone who wants to give credit where it's due, then this tutorial is for you. This tutorial will be of immense benefits to students, no doubt. So, let's get started. Open your Word document. This is our sample Word document. Now locate the References tab at the top of the screen. Click on it. You can see citations and bibliography displayed. Before we begin citing, make sure you know the required citation style for your document. This is very important, as different fields and institutions often have their own preferred style, like APA, MLA, IEEE, or Chicago. Now click on Style slightly above Citations and Bibliography and choose your preferred citation style. Now let's insert our first citation. Let's choose IEEE for this tutorial. Now position your cursor when you want the citation to appear. Please follow me closely on the screen. Then click on Insert Citation. Choose Add New Source if it's your first time citing that source. Click on Type of Source. From here, you can choose from the list the type of source you are citing: books, journal, conference proceedings, interview, or even website. So, fill in the necessary information in the dialog box that appears. Make sure to choose a language if English is not your default language. Let's go with journal article. Now click on OK once you are done filling in the required information in the dialog box. Word will add the citation in the correct format. So this is the citation. Please support this channel by hitting the subscribe button if you are finding value in this tutorial. Also, like and share the video to your colleagues who might benefit from these tips. Finally, let me show you how to create a references page. Move your cursor to where you want it. It's normally at the end of the document, and click on Bibliography menu just below Citation Style. Pull down the menu bar and choose References. This depends on the bibliography cited and the citation style. Here, we will click on References, and Word will automatically generate the list you can see. So that's how to add citations and references in Microsoft Word. Don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Check out my playlists for powerful tips to boost your Windows PC and Android performance. Thanks.